So this is Omarchy, which is an Arch Linux flavor in a ThinkPad. Now, ThinkPad solves for a lot, but let me quickly talk about Omarchy and Arch Linux first. Amazing performance, very snappy, and the good thing is that now ThinkPad has native Linux support. So for example, stuff like this was a mess in my previous Asus laptop, but when it comes to ThinkPad, which is kind of natively supported, there's fingerprint sensor, all of those things. I think this is a very, very good out of the box experience if you want to give Linux a go. Omarchy, or rather Omarchy's brother, is Omakube as well. So if you want to go give Ubuntu a go, that's another thing that you can look at. But now it's been about close to 2 months that I've been working with primarily Omarchy here, right from coding to running smaller local machine learning models to studying all of that. I've been doing on Omarchy. Earlier it was on an Asus laptop, now it's on ThinkPad. Amazing experience. Overall, I think this combo of a ThinkPad and Linux is one of the longer lasting combos because ThinkPads, they last very, very long, and they're extremely robust and sturdy laptops. The best thing is the battery is great. The RAM usage is never really goes above 3 to 5 GB, 5 GB when I'm actually doing like intensive stuff. Otherwise, it's usually under 3 GB. And if you look at comparatively, if you look at Windows, 3 GB is just on idle, like 3 to 4 gigabytes is used just if Windows is lying idle. So this is also, or rather Omarchy or Arch Linux is going to also give life to your older laptops if you wanna have a look at those. But this is definitely an amazing experience overall. Now, I love the shortcuts. I love whatever is going on with Omarchy here. Let me just quickly, of course, do the customary fast fetch as well. So this is what I'm running. I've turned off the graphics, by the way, the GPU. It's a small GPU, but I just kept it for CUDA programming. But for now, I have that turned off. As you can see, 3 gigs. I've got a couple of programs running, but that's all. That's all it takes.